Good weather and longer evenings are finally here as we bring you a fantastic project from pattern designer and expert quilter Claire Campion, featuring her stunning Collider quilt, which looks complex and curvy, but is actually remarkably straightforward to sew, without a curved seam in sight. Anita Birtles and Valerie Nesbitt are back in front of the cameras this month, going crazy comparing notes on their patchwork ideas, and using these very versatile acrylic templates from Creative Grids to create 6-inch and 8-inch blocks, which can also be used on the back of your quilt. Valerie also brings us this incredibly useful humbug bag this month, which is a really delightful little project to create for yourself, or perhaps as an Easter present for someone else. Pattern designer and sewer Janet Clare is back with an update on her really unusual and original apron that she loves to embellish and has become something of a trademark for her and her work, and is now available in smaller sizes for the talented youngsters in your life. And our Tip Thursday features textile artist Dion Swift, talking about how she feels she is part of an orchestra with the hum of her machine and the choice of her threads. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.